Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss very useful tips and tricks which is very helpful if you working in the real-time environment. And if you not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to enroll in any course, you can visit the Study IT Education, which is the mention in the video description link. So you can enroll any courses, and we running also 15% discount for the entire courses. This is for the Holy Festival discount. So this video will start a little bit about the what shortcut we need to be used if you work in the real time. Like suppose if you working in the real time. So first I will discuss about the whenever we represent the screen, like the debugging the code, or you want to show some type of the code, so you need to be tell the line number. So how you can enable the line number? So you can see there is no line number, and if I share the screen and if I explain the code, why we use the carry index, so we need to be explain the carry index like this. So there is no line number. So to display the to enable the line number, you can go to the tool, and after tool we have the option, and within the option we have one text editor. So in the text editor, you can click on the transact SQL, and within the transact SQL we have the line number. So just you can check this one. So once you check, you can see line number got enabled here. So if you sharing the screen, and if you explaining the code in front of the client, in front of the code reviewer, because we working in work from home, sometimes we need to be also explain the code in front of the uh, uh, team lead or the manager. So you can simply say the line number 24 I'm using carry index, line number 30 I'm creating the temp table. So this is a very useful tips and tricks. You can enable the line number. Second option, suppose I have one sheet. Okay, so let me show you one sheet, Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet you can see, let me little bit increase the font. So you can see I have the customer ID. Okay, so in the customer ID we have 197 customer ID. So you need to be get the data for all these customers. So usually what you can do, you can put the select star from the table name, like whatever the table you have. Like for example, I have the table dim customer, and within the dim customer we have the customer key. So customer key and customer ID are both the same. So if you have multiple, so what you need to do, you can put the where clause, where customer customer key you need to be put in, and you need to be copy the code, all the customer key from the Excel sheet, and I am copying the customer's key. And if you put within the bracket, okay, so if you put the within the bracket, so you can see you need to be put also the comma. Okay, so if you put manually comma, it will take too much time. Okay, so it will take too much time, and this is very time consuming. Also if you have like more than 1000, so 1000 times putting the comma is also very difficult. So what you can do, just you can put the cursor here and press shift alt. Okay, I'm again repeating, press shift alt. After the shift alt, you can go to this top where this is there. So now you can, before one, just press the shift alt, and you can click the right mouse, and you can press the you can now press the comma. So you can see by default comma put it in all the row. So now you can see here I close the bracket also, and comma is also put it. So you can see one highlighted will be there, so one miss here, so you can just put here. So now once you execute this one, you can see you will get only 196 whatever the ID you pass. So this is the very useful if you working in the real time. So if you have the multiple ID, you can no need to be put the comma also. So you can just put the select shift plus alt. Okay, so if you face any difficulty, you can also reach out to me on via chat window or the comment box. Will definitely help you. Now the third very useful trick. So always whenever we have the table, so if you want to select the table, select star from table. If you want to see the table top 5 or top 10 something, so you need to be always right. So this is a very uh, normally useful using top 10, top 100, sp underscore help text. So like in this if you talk about this database, I have how many store procedure is there. So the code is the select star from sys dot objects where type is equal to p. So you will get all the procedure name. Okay, so if you have this procedure, so you can copy and you can paste into the new window. Okay, so if you want to see the code, so you can also create the some shortcut key in the SQL server. So how you can create the shortcut key? So just go to the tool and again the option. So within the option we have the one environment. Within the environment we have the one keyboard is there. After the keyboard we have the some here you can see the quick launch. After that we have a startup. Okay, and tab and window. So this is the very useful keyboard shortcut. Okay, so you can click on the keyboard and the uh, query shortcut. So here by default 3 will be there. Alt F1 is the basically used for the sp help, and control 1 is will be sp who and sp log. So you cannot edit. So we have available control plus F1. So you can put the sp underscore help text. Okay, basically using for the see the any code of the procedure or the view. Control 3 there, so you can just put the select uh, top 10 star from this is the code. Now control F4 is the you can put the select star from only, select star from. So now you can okay, and if you open the new window, so if not work you can just restart the SQL server. You can disconnect and connect. So now if you select the any of the like let me copy all the store procedure. So I'm not writing the sp help text. So just you can select the store procedure and press the control F1. So what will be happen, all the code will be displayed. So this is a very shortcut. So if you want to see the any table name also in the within the procedure, suppose if you have any table is written here. So like any of the procedure where you explaining the code, like this is the procedure, and either within the same database if you have any table will be used. So you can see dim customer dupe will be table is available or not. So if you press the control 3, so top 10 will be display. So just you can select and you can press the control plus 3 or control plus 4, whatever the you have the table name. So like dim customer table, if you want to see, just you can copy anywhere and you can see the shortcut will be working or not. So dim customer, you can press the control 3 or control 4 or whatever will be there. So you can see top 10. I press the control 3, so top 10 will be display. If I press the control 4, so select star from will be display, because I already set the shortcut key for the control 3 for the select top 10 from, and also control 4 is the select star from. So this is the very useful. Always you can set into the SQL server if you working in the real time, and this is a very save your time. So if you like this video and all the shortcut key, please hit the subscribe button, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, please you can let me know. Thank you so much for the watching complete video. Thank you.